Hello everyone. Today is March 1, 2025. Update ko lang po kayo regarding Ramsay-Hunt syndrome. Disclaimer lang po, this is for general information only. I'm not recommending nor giving any medical advice. Just seek or consult a doctor whenever you have a health problems po, no? And then, actually, my Ramsay-Hunt syndrome the symptom was started on January 19, and after 2 weeks of taking prednisone po, on my 3rd week, naging okay naman po ako. Okay na po, as you can see, symmetrical na po yung smile ko, even yung sa face ko, and even po yung eyes ko. Sometimes may nararamdaman lang akong konti about sa eyes, pero fully recovered na po ako. Sa ibang case, nabasa ko, hindi po sila nagpo-fully recovered, and very thankful po ako na naging okay na po ako. And last January 29 po, nag-work na rin po ako. And thank you so much po. Sorry po sa lahat na nag-message na hindi ko na-replyan. This video is all for you. Thank you so much. God bless po.